Many people find my story inspiring. Most of the girls in my district can come and tell me and ask, "Ma'am, आप दोनों बच्चियाँ IAS बनी कैसे इतनी situation में?" I want to tell that this is not really the story of two girls who, being an orphan, cleared IAS exam. This story is much more deeper to understand, to project. And I thank Doordarshan to giving me a platform to at least come here and thank this woman. She is the real hero of the story. Why I say this? Because the real story is the story of a widow mother who struggles, who has hope, who can dream of making two of her daughters an IAS officer. From the age of 3, I knew I had to become an IAS officer. I didn't have the knowledge what is an IAS officer. But I remember that on the bed, she used to tell me, "Tumhe IAS banna hai." My mother became widow at the age of 29, 1.5 years after death of my father. I was 9 months old when my father died, and my sister was not yet born. She was born after the death of my father. My story is about a widow who did not opt for abortion of the second girl child. Everybody was telling her, "Adopt the second girl child. Your husband is dead. It would be tough for you to give birth to her and then look after her." She said no. The second girl child was again my sister, Ms. Pranjal Singh. She is also an IAS officer. Both of us cleared the IAS exam in 2008. And I can proudly say that my mother was a strong lady. She, being a widow, she brought into life my sister, looked after her, and she is the real lady who was her courage, and both of us cleared the IAS exam. Once I had asked my mother, like a daughter observes the light, I used to watch that her life is very tough. As a widow, as a daughter, I used to hate her life as a widow. For me, I always hated my father to go to that government job and do his job in such a manner that he did not think that agar mujhe kuch ho jayega, I leave behind my daughter and a wife. So I asked her, "Why didn't you remarry?" At the age of 29, if you ask me, I would never wait for, if I have been just married for 1.5 years. I asked her, "Why didn't you remarry?" She said, "I could never find a man who was as loving as your father. And both of my 2 daughters, you complete my world. I don't want to see any world beyond it." As a young daughter, I had seen my mother fighting the case of my father. My father was a policeman. He was killed by his own policeman in a false encounter. We fought the case for 31 years, and it was decided after the death of my mother, and those people were brought to, we got the justice, and they got life imprisonment. So as a daughter, I have seen a very strong lady. In my dictionary, there exists no word as a weak woman. A weak woman is a contradiction in term for me. I've only seen a strong mother, a strong woman, a strong wife, a dedicated wife. As the story goes along, again I would point out, this is not the story of Ms. Kinjal Singh. This is the story of late Srimati Vibha Singh. She was diagnosed of cancer, and the cancer was diagnosed in the last stage. When the cancer was diagnosed, I was still in my early 20s. I was still completing graduation. It was diagnosed when I was in graduation 3rd year, and I have topped Delhi University in both the years. That time, my Mossa, Mr. K.K. Singh, he was there all the while with us. But when the cancer was diagnosed, it was a very tough phase for us because I was not even eligible to sit for the IAS exam. My mother, Srimati Vibha Singh, she went through all the 18 rounds of chemotherapy. She fought cancer like anything. For all the people sitting here, if you have any idea about cancer, it's such an illness. It shakes you emotionally, physically, and mentally. For all 3 of us, my sister, myself, and my mother, it was a very tough time. But more than us, she faced it. And she kept on telling us, "You both don't leave the exam, don't come to see me. Mossa will look after me. You go and give the exam, you complete your graduation, you sit for IAS, become an IAS officer." We did, most of the times, sometimes I was able to go, but many times I was not able to go to even see the chemotherapy. At that time, on this stage, I would like to thank my Mossa. I don't know about the word father, I don't know the word brother. I know the word mother, and apart from her, if I know any person in my family, that is my Mossa. Anyway, after 18 rounds of chemotherapy, once I was in the hospital, and she was bleeding profusely. I was very upset. I went to the doctor and asked, "Is she going to be alive?" The doctor told me, "Can't you see? It is impossible for a woman, for a man to even face 6 rounds of chemotherapy. She has been facing it for last 3 years. It's not possible for her." Then I went to my mother and asked, "Why are you suffering so much?" She told me, "I cannot leave you. I cannot just leave you alone. I want you to become an IAS officer. And I don't want you to face what I am facing to be alone. I want you to be happy. I want you to feel you have a mother, you have a father." Then I went to her and said, "Today I promise that I will become an IAS officer. You need not go through this round of chemotherapy. And I will give this exam and clear." And she passed away. She passed away in 2004, and both of us became IS officer in 2008. I would just like to say that she was there, she is there, and she continues to be there in my life. And I would thank Doordarshan to at least give me this platform, because everybody thinks that I have done something great. I have not done anything great. If anyone has mother like my mother, then the person can do anything in this world. And on this platform, I would like to just thank my mother, because she was not there when I became an IS officer. When my result was there, she was not there. When I'm getting these awards, again, she's not there. And sometimes when I receive my salary, and I think that at that time when you were fighting the case and paying our fees, you did not have money to buy your silk sari. Wish from my salary I could buy some silk saris for you and make you feel great that now I have become an IS officer and I have money to fulfill all your dreams. Thank you, friends.